Don't skip this video. If your Audi is showing drive system fault, please contact workshop. The next few minutes could save you thousands of dollars. Because one mistake almost every Audi owner makes after seeing this warning is continuing to drive, thinking they'll deal with it later. But here's the problem. This warning doesn't tell you whether you're facing a simple software issue or a drivetrain failure that can leave you stranded on the highway. And by the time your Audi makes the answer obvious, it's often already too late. So before you turn the key again or book an expensive repair, you need to know exactly what this warning is really trying to tell you. If this warning just appeared on your dashboard, don't skip this video. In the next few minutes, you'll learn what it really means, the most common causes, when it's safe to keep driving, when you should stop immediately, and how to avoid spending money on repairs you may not even need. Now let me ask you something. If your Audi still starts and drives normally, would you keep driving? Most people would. After all, if the car feels fine, how serious could the problem be? But that's exactly why this warning catches so many owners off guard. Here's the first thing you need to know. Drive system fault isn't a diagnosis. It's a warning. It doesn't point to one specific part. Instead, it tells you that one or more drivetrain systems are no longer operating normally. The problem could involve the engine, transmission, battery management system, cooling system, sensors, or even software communication between control modules. The dashboard knows something is wrong. It just doesn't tell you what. This explains why owners have completely different experiences. Some restart the engine, the warning disappears, and everything seems normal again. Others ignore the same message and suddenly lose power or enter limp mode. Both situations are possible. A temporary warning can be caused by a brief voltage drop or communication glitch. But if the warning keeps returning, or you notice rough idling, poor acceleration, harsh shifting, or reduced power, the vehicle is protecting itself from a real fault. Imagine you're joining a highway and suddenly your Audi won't accelerate the way it should. The engine feels weak and the car refuses to build speed. That's limp mode. It's designed to prevent further drivetrain damage. Continuing to push the engine harder at that point can make the repair much more expensive. So what actually causes this warning? One of the most common causes is a faulty turbocharger wastegate actuator, but that's only the beginning. Worn spark plugs or ignition coils, a failing camshaft position sensor, fuel delivery problems, transmission faults, timing chain wear, cooling system failures, a weak 12-volt battery, 48-volt mild hybrid issues, and even software problems after maintenance can all trigger the exact same message. Different faults, identical warning. Real cases prove it. Some owners were told to replace the entire turbocharger, but the real problem was only the wastegate actuator. Others triggered the warning because of poor quality fuel. Some saw it after heavy rain when moisture affected wheel speed sensor wiring. And on certain mild hybrid models, failures in the 48-volt starter generator caused multiple electrical systems to shut down. The dashboard displayed the same warning every time, even though the actual problems were completely different. So what's the hidden lesson? This warning doesn't identify the failed component. It tells you the drivetrain can no longer operate normally. That's why professional technicians don't guess. They scan the vehicle for fault codes, check battery voltage, inspect wiring, and analyze live data before replacing any parts. That's how the real problem is found. So what should you do? If the warning is red, stop the vehicle safely and have it towed, because a critical failure may have occurred. If it's amber or yellow, avoid hard acceleration and drive carefully to a workshop if the vehicle still feels safe. And if the warning disappears after restarting, don't assume it's fixed. If it comes back, get the vehicle professionally diagnosed as soon as possible. So, was the warning itself the biggest danger? Not really. The biggest danger is making the wrong decision after seeing it. One Audi may need nothing more than a software update, while another could require major drivetrain repairs. The message is the same, but the fault behind it is completely different. And that's exactly why this warning should never be ignored.